to another video. I'm Tom and today we are going to make the best flapjack with a yogurt and white chocolate topping with cranberry. But first, I'm going to answer this. Flapjack is a baked oat bar cooked in a baking tray with butter, sugar, flour and golden syrup. Flapjack may also be known as a muesli bar, an oat bar, a breakfast bar, a granola bar, a cereal bar. This flapjack will last in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding on. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding on. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding on.
That's how you make flapjack with the yogurt and white chocolate topping, sprinkled with a little bit of cranberry. And if you made it this far, thank you very much, I do appreciate it. Please hit the like button, give it a little thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I release new recipe videos every single week and you do not want to miss them. I will see you in the next video.